Sigurado ako na nakatanggap ka rin at nabasa mo na rin ang email ni YouTube regarding taxes outside the US. So yan po ang pag-uusapan natin sa video na ito. So ito po ang email ni YouTube. Hi there. We're reaching out because Google will be required to deduct US taxes from payments to creators outside of the US. So later this year, as early as June 2021. So over the next few weeks, we'll be asking you to submit your tax info in Adsense to determine the correct amount of taxes to deduct, if any apply. If your tax info isn't provided by May 31, 2021, Google may be required to deduct up to 24% of your total earnings worldwide. So, ibig sabihin po, dapat magbigay ka na po ng tax info mo. Kasi kapag aabot tayo ng May 31, 2021 at wala ka pa ring tax info, so ang mangyayari is magdideduct na po siya ng 24%. In default po, 24% sa total earnings natin. Worldwide na po. So, ibig sabihin, sa lahat na po nakita natin sa YouTube. So, malaki-laking kita na rin yan ang mawawala sa atin kapag hindi po natin ibinigay yung ating tax info kay YouTube. So, what do I need to do? In the next few weeks, you will receive an email to submit your tax information in Adsense. So the online tax tool in Adsense is 6 steps and will ask you series of questions to guide you through the process to determine if any US taxes apply. For more information on these changes and a list of tax info to prepare, visit our help center. So pindutin lamang po natin yan kung kailangan po natin ng more information about this. So why is this happening? Google has a responsibility under the Chapter 3 of the U.S. Internal Revenue Code to collect tax info from all monetizing creators outside of the U.S. and deduct taxes in certain instances when they earn income from viewers in the U.S. For creators outside of the U.S., we will soon be updating our terms of service where your earnings from YouTube will be considered royalties from U.S. tax perspective. So this may impact the way your earnings are taxed, and as required by US law, Google will deduct taxes. How will my earning be impacted? If you provide your tax info, US taxes may only be applied to your monthly US earnings from Adsense. So yung revenue na na-earn natin from viewers in the US through ads views, YouTube Premium, Super Chat, Super Stickers, and channel membership. If no tax info is provided, your tax rate may default to the higher individual backup withholding rate that is 24% of our total earnings worldwide. To estimate the potential impact on your earnings, follow these instructions. Thanks from YouTube team. So ngayon, pupuntahan po natin ang ating Google Chrome. Mag-login po tayo sa ating Google AdSense. Type Google AdSense. Tapos, search. Pindutin ang Google AdSense. Okay, dahil nakapag-login na po ako, so hindi na po ako kailangan mag-login. So kayo kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-login, mag-login muna kayo. So ayan po ang makikita natin. So may nakalagay dito na tatlong linya na nakahiga dito sa ating kaliwa, pipindutin naman natin to. Dito, pindutin ang payments. So, dito sa payments natin, may nakasulat na manage tax info. So, ayan po. Itong manage tax info na ito, yun po yung ating pipindutin para makapag-submit po tayo ng ating tax info. Tapos, dito sa baba, may nakalagay na add tax info. So, pindutin ang add tax info. Nanghihingi po siya ng ating password para ma-verify po kung tayo po ba talaga itong nag-login sa ating Google AdSense. So, pindutin ang next. So, yan po. So, higa lamang natin para makita natin. So, ito po yung nag-appear nang pinindit natin yung manage tax info. So, hinihingi po dito kung anong klaseng account po meron tayo. So, pipiliin natin itong individual. Then, next. Dito sa baba, sinabi po dito kung citizen or resident po tayo sa United States. Siyempre, sa Philippines lang ako, so piliin ang no. Then dito, may pagpipilian po tayo. So, piliin natin itong nasa taas kasi ito po yung kailangan natin as a non-US individual po. So, click. Tapos, magsimula na po. So, ito na nga po. Fill upan lamang natin to. Lagyan natin ng ating pangalan, itong name of individual. Then, itong country, citizenship. Kung taga saan po tayo, sa Philippines. So, at lagyan din po natin ito ng foreign tin. Kasi kailangan po yan. So, dito, name of individual. Then, next. Piliin ang permanent resident address is a PO box or in care of address. So, we'll be required to submit additional documentation sa Philippines. Yan po. Mailing address is same as permanent resident address. Yan po. Then, pindutin ang next. So, dito, ito po yung kanyang address. Yan po siya. Then, are you claiming a reduced rate of withholding under a tax treaty? So, sabihin po natin, yes. Resident of country claiming treaty with the US, yes. Then, pindutin yung Philippines. Yan po. Then, dito po, may pagpipilian po tayo. Ito po yung special rates and condition. You may exempt or have taxes withheld at a reduced rate on the certain income types earned within the US. So, these reduced rates and exemptions vary among countries and specific income types. So, select all that apply to you. Select all that apply to you. So, you can claim any future income type that you may plan to earn from Google products. So, services, click po natin. Then, dito po, Article 8, under the paragraph 1. Then, withholding tax, 0% po siya. Yan po. Then, as a tax resident of the country identified in the tax identity section, the individual identified in the tax section meets required terms of the treaty. So, pindutin lamang natin yan. Then, motion picture and TV, YouTube, Google Play. So, under Article 13, Paragraph 2, then the withholding rate is 15%. Then other corporate YouTube, Google Play, and Article 13, Paragraph A, then 15% ulit yung reduce. Then reason meets the terms of the treaty article. So check po natin yan. Then pindutin ang next. So ito na nga po. Okay. So, ayan po. Legal name, signature of beneficiary owner, or they were authorized to sign for provisional. So, ayan po siya. Then, pindutin ang next. So, ayan na po. Perfect na po siya. Nakapag-sign na po ako ng sa tax info sa ating Google AdSense. Email ba tayo? So, dito po, may email na po ako. So, your tax information has been approved. So, approved na po siya. So, thank you po sa lahat. Success na po.